Folks, all I got to say is this is some very, very interesting price action. I mean, we did a webinar about 3 weeks ago, and we were calling $36,000 per Bitcoin by the end of January. And it's the start of January, and we just hit 34, almost 34, about 33,500 per BTC. So wow, what a wild, wild ride. And when we were calling that was when we were still below 20K, but we saw the options market had a lot of action around the $36,000 strike price. And so we said with the expiration of January. So we were saying, hey, with the January effect afoot, as we've been talking about a little bit in some of our webinars, the January effect afoot, we're looking at a really good market environment. And plus, again, BTC trading comfortably above all-time highs and breaking above new all-time highs really every day, right? Every day you wake up, and this morning I woke up, I was like, oh, $32,000, went to sleep at $30,000. It's crazy. And altcoins are kind of coiling, right? They're consolidating, they're getting themselves comfortable at their volume point of controls before they start getting marked up. And they'll get the money will start rotating into altcoins after BTC kind of levels off a little bit. And again, how soon before BTC levels off is really a good question, because this thing's running like a freight train, and kind of institutional money, like big money, they're coming into Bitcoin, right? And then they'll flow down to the smaller altcoins and stuff down the line. But with different funds, kind of how they take their profits from Bitcoin, recycle them into altcoins, and once that profit taking starts to happen, and we'll see it and we'll call it. It hasn't really started yet. It's still, considered a very, very strong accumulation phase where bidders are still very anxiously, market buying and setting tons of liquidity right below the spread. So right now it's just a buyer's market. We've been saying it for a long time. The momentum is really strong. Altcoins are just, still trading at a little bit of a discount. So your strength is still in the BTC market. But when that flips, it'll flip very quickly. It will come like a thief in the night. It will be so fast. So make sure your positions are squared away because you don't want to get left on the sidelines. And with that being said, you guys need to make sure you guys are following us. Again, we've got model portfolios. We've got a whole bunch of stuff going on. So hit the link, find out more, find out how to profit and trade this 2021 bull market, because this is going to be nuts. You guys do not want to get left on the sidelines. Have a great night.